Hello guys, welcome to another session of learning mathematics with prep class. I am BC, I am a prep class tutor. It's always good to be here as your tutor. So in this video, I'll be solving questions 21 to 25 of the Loyola JC College Entrance Examination, Mathematics, Paper 4. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. Make sure that you also like and comment on this video. This will encourage us to make more videos like this, okay? Alright, so let's move on to the first question in this video. 22 boys can finish a piece of work in 64 days. How many days will it take 16 boys to complete the same work if they work at the same rate? Okay, so 22 boys can finish a piece of work in 64 days. So how many days will it take 16 boys? So because the number of boys have decreased, the time taken to complete the work will increase. Okay, so this means that the number of boys is inversely proportional to the number of days. So what do I mean by inverse proportion? Inverse proportion occurs when one value decreases and the other increases, or when one value increases and the other decreases. Okay, so since they work at the same rate, we are going to be using this formula T equals K over N, where T is the time, that is the number of days. K is the constant of proportionality, that is the rate of change. Then the N is number of boys. Okay, so now we want to find the rate at which they are working. Okay, so now the first sentence says 22 boys can finish a piece of work in 64 days. So if 22 boys can finish a piece of work in 64 days, let's find the rate at which they are working. Okay, so the time is 64 days and the number of boys is 22 boys. Okay, so now we have T equals K over N. So T is 64, then K is unknown, then the N is 22. So now to make K the subject of the formula, we cross multiply. So we now have K equals 64 times 22. We can do that here. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12. Now let's add this together. 8 plus nothing is 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. Write 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 1 plus nothing is 1. So now 64 multiplied by 22 is 1408. So the constant of proportionality is 1408. Now the question says, how many days will it take 16 boys to complete the same work if they work at the same rate? So they are working at the same rate at which the 22 boys worked, right? Okay, so now we have found the rate, that is the constant of proportionality, as 1408. Now we have to find the time. So the time is unknown, then the constant of proportionality is 1408. Then the number of boys is 16. Okay, so we have 1408 divided by 16. Let's do that here. So using the long division method. So what do? We find the first possible digit that is divisible by 16. 140 is the first possible digit that is divisible by 16. 140 divided by 16 is 8. 8 times 16 is 128. 0 minus 8 is not possible, so we get 1 from 4. It remains 3. Put the 1 here, it becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So we have 12. 12 is not divisible by 16, so we drop down the next digit, which is 8. So we now have 128 divided by 16, which is 8. 8 times 16 is 128. 128 minus 128 is 0. Okay. So now we've been able to completely divide 1408 by 16. So the answer is 88. So this means that it will take 88 days for 16 boys to finish the same work at the same rate. So can you see now that when the number of boys reduces, the number of days increases. Okay, so now it will take 88 days for 16 boys to finish the same work at the same rate. Okay, so the correct option here is A, 88 days. Check. Question 22. Simplify 91.79 in brackets minus 90. This is very easy. Okay, so you can see that there is more than one operation in this question. You have brackets, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so when there is more than one operation, use the Bodmer's rule. So Bodmer's rule is a rule on order of operation. Okay, so B means bracket, O is off, D is division, M is multiplication, A is addition, S is subtraction. So this means that You have to do bracket first of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction last. Okay, so this is the order of operation in mathematics. So in this question now we have bracket. So this means we have to solve the operation in bracket first. The operation in bracket is 91 plus 79. Let's do that here. 1 plus 9 is 10. Write 0, carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So this means that 91 plus 79 is 170. Then minus 80 can be done here. 0 minus 0 is 0. 17 minus 9 is 8. Okay, so 170 minus 90 is 80. So 91 plus 79 bracket minus 90 is 80. So you can see that this is very easy. Just use the Bodman's rule and then you get your answer very easily. Okay, so the correct option here is option C, 80. Check. Question 23. An item was bought for 3,395 naira and later sold at a profit of 35%. How much was it sold? Okay, so now let's bring out the information in the question. An item was bought for 3,395 naira. So that is the cost price. The cost price is the amount that an item is bought. Okay. Then and later sold at a profit of 35%. So the percentage profit is 35%. Now the question says, how much was it sold? That is, we are asked for the selling price. The question is asking for what is the selling price. So to be able to find the selling price, we need to know the profit first. Then profit is given as percentage profit multiplied by cost price divided by 100. The percentage profit is 35% multiplied by the cost price, which is 3,395 naira divided by 100. So let's multiply 35% by 3,395 naira first. So let's do that here. 5 times 5 is 25, write 5, carry 2. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 2 is 47, carry 4. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 4, that is 19, write 9, carry 1. 5 times 3 is 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. 3 times 5 is 15, write 5, carry 1. 3 times 9 is 27, 27 plus 1 is 28, write 8, carry 2. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, write 1, carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1, that is 10. Now let's add this together. 5 plus nothing is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Write 2, carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. So write 8, carry 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 1 plus nothing is 1. Okay, so now 3,395 naira multiplied by 35% is 118,825 naira. So we now have 118,825 naira divided by 100, okay, which is 1,188 naira 25 kobo. Okay, we are still not true because we are asked to find the selling price. How much was the item sold? Okay, so selling price is given as cost price plus profit. So now we know the profit. So let's add it to the cost price to get the selling price. So the cost price is 3,395 naira plus the profit, which is 1,188 naira 25 kobo. So let's do that here. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. Then drop down the decimal point. 5 plus 8 is 13. Write 3, carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Write 8 and carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3,395 naira plus 1,188 naira 25 kobo is 4,583 naira 25 kobo. So to convert this to the nearest naira, it is 4,583 naira. So the selling price is 4,583 naira. So this item was sold for 4,583 naira. So you can see that this is very easy. Find the profit and then use it to find the selling price. As simple as ABC. Okay, so the correct option here is option D, 4,583 naira. Check. Question 24 says a right angle triangle has sides 42 centimeter and 56 centimeter. Calculate the hypotenuse. So first of all, what is hypotenuse? And do you know what hypotenuse is? So hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle is a triangle that has a right angle. That is, it has 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. This is a right angle triangle. So the longest side of a right angle triangle is called the hypotenuse, which is h. Okay, so using the Pythagoras theorem, do you know what Pythagoras theorem is? So Pythagoras theorem is a theorem that describes the relationship between the three sides of a right angle triangle. So it states that the sum of the square of the two sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Okay, so this is it here. H square equals a square plus b square, where a and b are the other sides, then h is the hypotenuse. So a and b can be the other two sides. Okay, so now we have a right angle triangle has sides 42 centimeter and 56 centimeter. So we can put that here, 42 centimeter, 56 centimeter. Then this is the hypotenuse that we are asked to find. So we are going to find the hypotenuse using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we have h square equals a square plus b square. So a is 42 centimeter here, b is 56 centimeter. Okay, so h square equals 42 centimeter square plus 56 centimeter square. So remember that the square of a number is the value obtained when you multiply the number by itself. So 42 centimeter square means 42 centimeter multiplied by 42 centimeter. Then 56 centimeter means 56 centimeter square means 56 centimeter multiplied by 56 centimeter. Okay, so let's do that one after the other. 42 times 42 can be done here. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Then let's add this together. 4 plus nothing is 4. 8 plus 8 is 16. Write 6. Carry 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Write it. Then 1 plus nothing is 1. So 42 multiplied by 42 is 1764. Okay, so now let's do 56 multiplied by 56. Okay, so 56 multiplied by 56 can be done here. 6 times 6 is 36. Write 6. Carry 3. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. Then 5 times 6 is 30. Write 0. Carry 3. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. Now let's add this together. 6 plus nothing is 6. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. Write 1. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 56 multiplied by 56 is 3,136. Wow. Okay, so now we have 42 centimeter times 42 centimeter as 1,764 centimeter square plus 56 centimeter times 56 centimeter is 3,136 centimeter square. So now let's add 1,764 centimeter and 3,136 centimeter here. So we have 4 plus 6 is 10. Write 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Write 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So write 9. 1 plus 3 is 4. So we have 4,900. So h square is 4,900 centimeters square. So to be able to find h, then we have to find the square root of 4,900 centimeter square. Okay, so let's do that right here. So h is square root of 4,900. So to find the square root of 4,900, we're going to be using the prime factorization method. The first step is to reduce 4,900 to its prime factors. Okay, so 4,900 divided by 2 is 2,450. 2,450 divided by 2 is 1,225. 1,225 divided by 5 is 245. 245 divided by 5 is 49. 49 divided by 7 is 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So these are the prime factors of 4,900. 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 7 times 7. So prime factors are the prime numbers that you multiply together to get a number. Okay, so now the second step is to group the digits in pairs and write only one of each pair and multiply. Okay, so 2 times 2 is in a pair, 5 times 5 is in another pair, then 7 times 7 is in a pair. Okay, so let's drop down one of them. 2, 5, 7. So 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 10 multiplied by 7 is 70. So the square root of 4,900 is 70. Okay, so to be sure that the answer is correct, multiply 70 by itself. That is 70 multiplied by 70, you will get 4,900. Okay, So this means that h is 70 centimeter. So the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle is 70 centimeter. So you can see this is easy. Just make use of the Pythagoras theorem, which is h squared equals a squared plus b squared. That's all. Okay. So the correct option here is option B, 70 centimeter. Check. Now to the last question in this video, question 25. The LCM of 11, 14, and 5 is, so we are asked to find this. So first of all, what is LCM? LCM means lowest common multiple. So there are several ways of finding the LCM of numbers, such as the prime factorization method or the listing multiples method. But in this video, I'll be using the prime factorization method. So the first step is to express each of the numbers as a product of its prime factors. Okay, so 11 is a prime number. So it's only divisible by 11 and 1. The prime factors of 14 are 2 and 7. So 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Then 5 is also a prime number. So we write the prime factor as just 5. Okay, so now we multiply the prime factors. Okay, so we have 2 multiplied by 5, multiplied by 7, multiplied by 11. 2 times 5 is 10. Then 7 times 11 is 77. Then 10 times 77 is 770. So this means that the LCM of 11, 14, and 5 is 770. So this is very easy. Okay, so the correct option here is option A, 770. Check. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video, okay, and make sure that you subscribe on this channel to get more videos like this, okay. Then you can join us on WhatsApp by clicking on the link in the description below. Till I come your way next time, bye.